Hey guys, so I was on the Kwala Intel page, and in this sectors feature, I was going through the sectors and I came across the sector of NFTs. So as you can see, there are many like sectors, like almost all the sectors covered on Kwala Intel: DX, privacy, network, payments, Bitcoin, BNB, NFTs, non-fungible tokens, sports. So I was pretty curious about NFTs, and so I decided to use NFT and learn more about it. So let's pick one NFT. Let's say Flow. Okay, Flow Chain is pretty good. I've been following Flow Chain. So let's ask what NFTs are performing today, and I want to understand it via a simple bar graph. Explain a bar graph. So I want a like proper statistical representation of this analysis, not just normal textual data. So this is the intent. I gave Flow chain as a NFT reference, and using that, I want Kwala Intel to tell me what NFTs are performing in the market today. So and I want the explanation not just in like normal text format with a bar graph. Okay, so it's fetching, it's searching the web. This takes around a couple of seconds. Okay, so it is like fetching all the 24-hour volume plan. Okay, cool. So it is generating the response. It's pretty fast. Everything like all real time latest insights are fetched here. And it has also given me some follow up questions. Let's take a look at the generated response first. Okay, so even the like graph is so catchy and easy to understand. So NFT collections 24-hour cycle. So for today, which NFTs are performing? So if you select any like bar on the graph, it will give you the a real time like value split as well. Like you don't need to like look at the rows and columns to get this estimate value at any point. So real time this like pop up gives you the value. So pretty detailed graph has been derived by Kwala Intel. Let's the textual data also. So this is the column. So NFT floor price movers. That is today's action. That is the ones which are pumping. Courtyard IO, Validity Maker, D Gods. That is on Solana. Pudgy Penguins. The most like one of the most famous NFTs, and also the ones which are bleeding. That is Dumpe, Board Ape YC, Azuki, along with its floor price and 24-hour volume. CryptoPunks Doodles. So a detailed like table format is also generated for me to understand in a better way. So Kuala Intel has also given me a proper summary for Melody is the alpha today with like highest performance as we all saw in the graph, followed by Courtyard.io, then blue chips are snoozing, then Pudgy. So Pudgy, we all know it's very like it's quite something everyone talks about, Pudgy Penguins. So bottom level NFTs are also discussed. Overall, it's a pretty like deep and amazing explanation with the properly curated textual paragraph data along with the tables, and the most important, a very clean and like pretty graph. So like starting from zero, that is the origin, then even the like the axis details, like the axis notations are also pretty amazing. It's pretty creative and easy to understand. Even the UI and is in a very user friendly and creative nature. So let's explore more such data from Kuala Intel using more such like graph styles and more such statistical data, and stay ahead of others in getting all the latest crypto insights and crypto updates through Kuala Intel. Thank you.